In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a marketing workflow in Jira Work Management. Let's keep it real. Trying to run a fast-moving marketing operation through spreadsheets, chat threads, and endless email chains gets messy very quickly. When campaign plans, creative assets, and launch dates live in too many places, work slows down, deadlines get missed, and teams burn out. The good news is that Jira Work Management gives you a much cleaner way to organize everything in one place. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian cloud site or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own secure credentials. Once you arrive at the main dashboard, head into your marketing or business project workspace. The goal here is to get into the area where your campaign planning and creative work will actually live, without getting distracted by unrelated technical projects. If you're building a new setup for your team, open the project creation area and browse to the business category. From there, select the marketing project template. Choose the team managed project option if you want a setup that is quick to launch and easy for your team to control. Give the project a clear name that matches the campaign or department. Then create it. You'll immediately have a board that is designed for marketing style work. Next, customize the board so it reflects your real production flow. On the far right side of the board, use the option to add a new column. Build out your creative process from left to right with stages like campaign, backlog, copywriting, graphic design, and media assets, review and compliance approvals, and finally, live and published. This makes it much easier for everyone to see what is waiting, what is in progress, and what has already gone out. Now create a campaign task. Click the Create button at the top, choose your project, and select Task or Content as the issue type. In the Summary field, write a short, clear title. Then in the description, structure the brief around 3 essentials: the target audience profile, the core copy and call to action, and the media asset requirements. This helps reduce confusion and makes handoff smoother between writers, designers, and reviewers. If you want a more visual planning view, open Calendar from the left sidebar. Here you can see campaign items laid out by date. You can drag and drop a task to a new day, and Jira will automatically update the schedule. This is especially useful when launch timing changes and you need to adjust quickly. Before you wrap up, do a quick review of the board. Make sure task titles are clear. Each card sits in the correct column, linked assets are attached properly, and the calendar looks clean and accurate. A final check like this helps keep your workflow reliable and easy to manage. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.